AI can now make songs, and in this video, I'm going to show you how. So open your favorite web browser and head over to Suno.ai. Oh my god, I don't know why that typing sound is so loud. Next, you're going to click on Make a Song. You're going to be met with this charming page, trending, where you can see the most trending songs that this AI has made. And a lot of them are just absolutely stunning. Take a listen to this. Or this. And even this. Yes, that's right. This AI can even sing lyrics. Sorry to whoever made this song for me skipping through it, but I had to get to the lyrics. So, you probably want to know how to make your own song now. So let's come over to the Create tab and get started. So in song description, this is where it's the best to be the most detailed. So if you want to make a stylish song or a certain stylized song, you want to add the keywords in here. You want to add style, you want to add tempo, and you want to add a bit of a story if you want the AI to be creative with it. Otherwise, you can come over and check this right here, custom mode. And this will allow you to enter your own lyrics inside and a style as well as a title. And the AI will sing those lyrics and then it will go ahead and make a beat to it. Now, here are some of the songs that I've made. My personal favorite is Drop It Low. How about I play that for you? So that's just a short sample of the song I made. So if you want to listen to the full thing, I'm going to make a YouTube short of it with a cute little animatic in the background so you can just, vibe to it like my character is doing right. Please, could you get off my screen for a second? I'm trying to show these people. All right, good. So that's it. It's super simple. The AI can literally generate any song you want in a matter of minutes and even seconds, depending on whether you're using custom mode or not. And you want to know the best part about this? It's free. You can subscribe optionally to Suno.ai, but otherwise you get 50 credits every day, which is the equivalent of 10 songs. Now, just a quick disclaimer, I am not being sponsored by Suno.ai. I just found this epic site that I want to share with all of you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I know it's corny now, every YouTuber does it, but honestly, it's the best way to help me out on my creative journey without paying a single penny. So yeah, subscribe if you want to, honestly. So thank you guys, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video.